Great. My friends, I hope you are doing well. And today I want to show you how to set up WordPress. WordPress is one of the what we call the content management systems. And the advantage of using WordPress is that it is very easy for you to update and maintain and even to blog with it, especially for those people who are not programmers or who are not developers. So I have my domain ready and hosting lawrencekaraoke.me. Now this is my cPanel, and what we call the cPanel, this is like the bucket that you're given when you purchase a hosting package together with your domain. So I have entered my username there. My username is Lawrence. My password is that. From there now, I come to there are several sections there. Like you can see, we have the files, we have the jet backup, we have the billing and support, we have the databases, we have the SEO and marketing tools, we have the domains, we have the emails, we have the metrics, we have the security, we have the software, we have the advanced, we have the preferences, and then we have what we call the website builders. You can choose one of these builders, but for me, I want to install a fresh WordPress, and then I will install the theme that I want. So I'm supposed to come to this section of the software. You can see I'm here. We have the Cloudflare, we have the website builder, we have the WordPress manager by SoftClouders. So I'm supposed to click here. Good. So I hope that we walk together step by step. So you can see here, so I'm supposed to say install. Yes, I want to install WordPress 5.51. This is actually the latest WordPress version. So this is now the installation folder, or what we call the directory. If for instance you wanted to install in a subdirectory, you would have entered the subdirectory name here, but for me I want to do it in these are the main directory. Now site name, because this is a personal blog, probably the site name can be my name, Lawrence Karaoke, and then the site description is probably you can say about myself. That is okay. Then I'm supposed to set the login credentials here. So admin username, I can come and say probably Lawrence. So about the password, I hope you guys, you're not going to come and hack my website later. So maybe I can say is something like karaoke at 2020. That is okay. So the admin email, the email that I want to be notified about everything that is happening. So you can see that I've set up my my credentials. Then I can be able to select some of these plugins. The login attempt, what we call the loginizer. This one is going to you see, it is going to protect your website against what we call the brute force attack. Now the brute force attack is one of the ways that hackers use to be able to manipulate and be able to get to log in into your WordPress. So but for me, I'm going to install mine. So from there I just say install. So let it finish installing. Good, great, good. Now you can see here WordPress has been successfully installed at lawrencekaraoke.me. That is okay. Now this is WordPress already, and then I have my bucket here. This has taken me direct to the dashboard, but I would like to show you how you log in into the WordPress now after installing, how you log in into WordPress. So you're supposed to come and type wp-admin, the wp-admin. You write the domain name and then /wp-admin. Remember, the username we put Lawrence, and then the password we put karaoke at 2020. Yes, probably can say remember me or not. That is not a good habit for remember me because of some security issues. Now I'm now in the bucket. You can see now I'm in the bucket, and from here I'll just come and install my theme. So thank you for watching. In case of any issue, in case of any guidance that you may want, you are free to email me at info@lawrencekaraoke.me or even contact me. Thank you so much.